Welcome back to the £0 to £1,000 challenge. If you're new here, I'm gonna quickly explain what that is. And it's basically me trying to get to £1,000 in 30 days. And I'm doing this without having a personal brand, without having any experience in the past 6 months, and basically just trying to prove a point that it's actually completely possible to make money with copywriting from a complete beginner. All right, now, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to create copy templates for when you send value outreach to your prospects and your future clients, or well, potential clients, right? So we're just going to get right into it. Obviously, we're back on the Notion. We're not going on prospecting today. We're going on outreaching. Oh, we are going on prospecting because I need to find the prospects. Go on day 2. Obviously, if you've watched yesterday's episode, which I advise you to, you know about the calisthenics family, right? I've spoke to them before. Well, not to them. I spoke about them before, and this is one of their emails. I'm just gonna scroll through it. You can skim through it, and you can see how bad it is. Just off of you saw that, right? Let me just read it out. Wow, Ali, we are overwhelmed with enthusiasm at Calisthenics Family. Since we announced our summer sale, we have welcomed over 500 plus new members to our calisthenics training app. Amazing to see that so many people are willing to invest in their bodies and health this summer. Therefore, we would like to remind you that today is the final day of our summer sale, and you have just 24 hours left to grab an incredible 40% on our premium calisthenics workout app. This is your last chance to join thousands of fitness enthusiasts who have already transformed their lives and physiques with our top-rated app. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer to kickstart your journey. Whether you're looking to build strength and muscle, learn calisthenics skills, improve flexibility, or achieve your summer fitness goals, our app has everything you need to succeed. I don't even know. Anyway, here is the email that they have. Usually I would be repurposing people's emails. However, this one needs to literally start from scratch. So I'm going to explain what to do now. Now you can go into your emails, your just your normal email, whatever emails you get, because I assume that you've signed up to newsletters, you've signed up to people maybe like Tyson 4D or Zarak or any other copywriters or big influencers that would use copywriters such as like Andrew Tate or something. So I'm just gonna use Tyson 4Ds. This is like the most recent one that he sent out, I assume. And you would usually you would want to find something that's quite similar to the purpose of the framework that you're trying to like repurpose. However, because we need to start from scratch, it doesn't really matter with this type of one. So all I'm going to do, just copy paste that. You can go into a Google Doc, you can go into a Notion, it doesn't really matter what you're in, and then just paste that there. Now I'm going to just make this a bit smaller because yeah, I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. Now you have a sort of like, you're going to be making a template around this email. Whatever email that you found, you're going to be making a template around this. So today's special day, and then it'll be like here, name, it's, and then special event. I believe the best gift is to gift reward is action. So since I'm turning, okay, that's also going to be special event. So since now I'm gonna I've got to like reword it in a type of way so like it makes sense for the framework as opposed to what the copy was before. So today's a special day, name, it's special event. I believe the best reward is action. So since it's special event, I'm giving you even more value today. So that can be left, or we could change that just to value. I'm giving you value in time. Introducing, and this is going to be like whatever the service or product you're going to be selling. So you can just put product here. The link is quite close to the beginning of the copy. There is a link at the bottom. However, you can just put product there, or product link, product/link even, because it's like a 2-in-1 type of thing. It's the product being named for the first time, also a link to it just in case they want to click straight away. This was previously given to just a few hundred people as a private live reward. So this is basically just explaining that this used to be an exclusive offer, an exclusive deal. So this was previously given to a number of customers as a reward. So this reward could be like a gift, like let's say here, I believe the best reward. The original thing was, I believe the best gift is to give. So here it will be like, if you can use a gift. This was previously given to 200 of my customers as a gift. Just basically breaking it down into frameworks, or not frameworks, just into kind of categories, if that makes any sense. Just kind of categorizing all of the key elements and key parts of the copy. So anything that isn't filler copy, you would have to kind of like narrow it down to what kind of topic it's based from, right? But since it's, and then special event here, but since it's special event, you can have it for free. But obviously we don't want to do anything for free. We've got an offer, so that's just the offer that they're giving. And then name, could have put the name there. But since it's the summer sale, you can have it for 40% off Ally. You understand? So this is like a framework. This is like a template that you can use for any other copy that you write in the future, right? So you can use this as a template for anything similar, anything you're trying to do for similar. Obviously, this is used for a free offer, something you're selling for free. So I would advise, let's say you do use this exact copy, or you just copy and paste the template, which I'll put the link in the description in case you want to use this, you want to see how it is, or just use it in general, right? So yeah, inside you get, and then these are literally just it's just going to be value. Inside you get value, right? So you're just getting value and a whole lot more value. Why am I doing this? Yeah, I mean, we can just keep that. You can put question instead, but I guess it kind of fits the description. Why am I doing this? Because I remember the hard action of starting, and then here it will just be like topic. So it'll be calisthenics here, because that's like the whole topic of the thing. However, because I'm making this a template for future copy as well, and not necessarily just framework, then I'm just going to put topic as opposed to calisthenics, right? Today's a special day name. It's special event. I believe the best reward is action. So since it's special event, I'm giving you value in time. Introducing product/link. This was previously given to number of customers as a reward, but since it's special event, you can have it for offer name. Inside you get value, and a whole lot more value. Why am I doing this? Because I remember the hard action of starting topic, sending sending, so that's just action, number of topic, action in topic, right? So because copywriting is a topic in, I mean, outreach is a topic in copywriting, and let's say this would be, because I remember the grind of starting calisthenics, doing 100 push-ups every day type of thing. You get what I mean? Going to bed expecting at least one reply. So that's just I wouldn't say growth. It is kind of growth, but it's like improvement. No, results. Brain fart there. Going to bed expecting results, and then waking up to empty Instagram messages and email boxes, then waking up to reality and waking up to reality. That's funny. Sound effect, because I guess that is literally just a sound effect. Got so desperate I almost cold emailed my crush. That's kind of funny. I didn't laugh, that was forced, but it was kind of funny. Got so desperate I almost cold emailed my crush. Got so desperate I almost took steroids. I almost, regrettable action. I almost eat. What the freak? Got so desperate, I almost regrettable action my subject. Yeah, it doesn't really matter what it is. It's just the subject. That's the girl. Pro tip: that's not how you get the girl. Lol. Then funny joke. Sure. But seriously, I've been where you are, and I want to make your journey smoother. Name, that's just a filler sentence. I want to make your journey smoother in calisthenics. I want to make your journey smoother in copywriting. I want to make your journey smoother with video editing. Like that's not something you need to necessarily like turn it into a template, right? So if you want to become a dream state in 2024, and then this is just link to product, and don't worry, there's no catch. That's just reassurance. Don't worry, reassurance, just my way of saying thanks for being part of community. More value coming soon. Your name. Bang. This is my first kind of time doing like a template walkthrough, so I apologize if it was, well, if I didn't give that much context in the thing. However, you know, you saw me be able to do it. You saw me do this whole thing in general. We just went from this. Today's a special day, Ali. It's my birthday. I believe the best gift is to give. And we went to today's a special day, name, it's special event. I believe the best reward is action. So since it's special event, I'm giving you value in time. And I've now, as you can see, I've repurposed this whole email into a template that I can use for a bunch of emails related to free offers in the future for any clients or prospects that are doing that themselves. So yeah, now I've got this. I'll be able to use this to just fill in the gaps. Basically, when you're writing your copy, you can literally just fill in the gaps. Obviously, you can change some of the filler words if you like, but yeah, you can fill in the gap. Let me name this 1K template, 1K email template. So yeah, now you've seen me do that. The link to this will literally be in the description if you want to look at it. I don't know. Yeah, the link to this will be in the description if you want to actually look at it or use it for inspiration, kind of like have it there to make your own type of thing. But now you know how to actually make your own template if you want to. You've seen me do it. Description might have been a bit ass, but you've seen me do it nonetheless. So yeah, if you've got to this point, then you found me valuable and I see value in that. And I want you to join my Discord. I'm inviting you to join my Discord. You know, there's a bunch of copywriters in there. We help each other. We give each other feedback on our outreach, on our copywriting, on our emails, etc. All of this type of stuff. And if you want to do the 0 to 1K challenge with me, then you can join the Discord as well. You know, everyone's doing it in there. And, you know, I'd love to see the type of results that everyone gets, including yourself. So yeah, don't overthink this whole process. You can literally just rewatch the video, see how I done it, replicate the actions, and you can have this kind of like, you can print it out, have it next to you, see how kind of the words go. Maybe you can create like a before and after like spreadsheet or something. But yeah, no point overthinking it. Just trust your intuition and do your own thing. Peace.